So hi, today I'm gonna show you about Medibang tutorial. So now let's go to how to create a page. So as you can see, this is the resolution for the Medibang file. So right now this is the pen brush where you can select this, and there's a many type of brushes. You can select almost everything, and you can also uh, take brush from their own website. You can order brush too. So this is the default brushes in the Medibang. I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is how smash brushes work. So this one is a rotation symmetry, which is you can do like doodles also can. To be honest, Razer doesn't do much because Medibang also has eraser tools. My preference brush will be drawing pen tool because he has a lot of like nice stroke, nice grip to it. Definitely my favorite one. So right now I'm going to show you about the lines and the shape tool in the Medibang. This way you can create the shape and the lines that are curvy. This is very easy and very useful when drawing. It's very easy to use this tool. It's very helpful. At the bottom left side, you can control the stroke of the brush. I prefer it to be like 15-15 because it's like the mid-range for the brush. If you make the start point and end point of brush is 10, then the lines of the shape will not be complete, as you can see right now. The lines will not be connected to each other unless you are really want that shape. I'm gonna show you one by one the lines and shape that are provided in Medibang. Make sure to double click the start point to the end point of your lines to make the curve line. Now I'm gonna show you about the colors in the Medibang. Medibang has provided color palettes for us. This is where you can select all the colors. It's very easy to use. Just click at this button. I will choose two color first to see what it looks like. Which is on to show you how to use the color palette and the bucket you like together, or which color do you want. So right now let's create a new layer. We can just hide this layer and create a new layer. So right now I'm gonna show you about text tool. Here you can like type whatever you want. You can change the color of the text. You can change the line spacing. You can change the text spacing, text size, font, but you only can use the default font that has been provided in Medibang. This rotation is very useful if you want to do the adjustment to the text. So this is how I put the lines and the text together. You also can control the opacity for the text. Let's create another layer. So right now I'm gonna show you about smart material dialog. But first, let's rename those layers. You also can create a folder. So for smart material dialog, you can click this button and click this button at the bottom. It will pop up a new tab. So click at this. So it will pop up a new tab which is named cloud material. So which I gonna go one by one. So this is one of the layout for the canvas. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is at the tile section. I'm gonna cancel that and I'm gonna show you about the item of the smart material dialog which I always use. You can choose a lot of the material in here. It's all free. Usually I choose dialog box. This is one of the building. If you like want to trace it out, if you want an example of the building, you can choose this and you can choose this and make the opacity down a bit so you can trace it. I'm gonna create one of the example how I create dialog box and how I implement it on my character. Usually I choose dialog box to make a dialog scene. You also can rotate if you click at this button. So I'm gonna choose one of the character in here. Let's resize it a bit. So after done that, you need to rasterize the material. You can go to layer section at the top, then click on the rasterize material. I'm going to put the line at the bottom to make the surface. So let's try to put some dialog in it. Change the suitable font size. And that's it, we are done. That's all for this short tutorial. Thanks for watching.